AI isn't a replacement for human intelligence. It's a support tool instead. Greetings everybody, I am Sarvagat Jakatram representing Elon Musk for today's AI topic of AI in business. First of all, I think we should be establishing what is the need of AI in business. AI can be used for multiple things, improving the overall business quality, efficiency, and enhance the way we do the management. AI is an important tool and is the future to improve what we are doing and improve what we have to do. AI is able to fulfill repetitive tasks, which causes the reduction of human employees and improves the overall quality as well, reducing human errors. AI can be used to create chatbots that answer customer inquiries 24/7, making it a better way instead of having a human to do all that work, since most of the inquiries are general and do not require waiting time. So this is the manner which can automate that process. My companies such as Tesla and SpaceX, we collect a large data to work with, and we have used AI to organize and compile it, making our life a lot easier. AI helps to analyze this data to predict issues even before they occur, identify problems, and predict outcomes. It helps to make decisions to be a more accurate manner, and I can understand and make decisions about everything ranging from product development to resource allocation. Tesla has used AI in multiple of its products, such as for the Tesla bot, which is a humanized version, and it helps to do unsafe tasks and repetitive tasks in a much better manner than using a human employee to do an unsafe work. It's a much safer option and a much more efficient one. The FSD chip, which is a full self-driving vehicle chip, which can be used to automate the process of precision of the way the car moves, check, and to organize what we are doing in a safer manner. The Dojo chip to run the Dojo system. It is used for data centers and data management, and it improves the overall quality of work such as SQL and Python. Neural networks. It's basically a camera networking software which is used to analyze data in a better manner and see from visuals what we are doing. Autonomy algorithms. It is the core algorithms needed to drive the car. It uses sensors, and lastly, evaluation infrastructure. It is used for tracking of the car and checking the car and checking the performance of it to test it, so that we can make it in a better manner and a more safe and reliable manner. The global artificial intelligence market is projected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 37.3% from 2023 to 2030. It is projected to reach 1,811.8 billion by 2030. As you can see from the image right here somewhere, the sizing of the price. Where will the value gains come from? This chart represents the accuracy, the personalization, the time saved, the quality, and labor productivity. It shows the growth in the upcoming years and how it is the future. The next image you'll see here is showcasing which region would gain the most from AI. As you can see here, North America, 14.5% of GDP has an impact from AI. Northern Europe, 9.9% of GDP. China, 26.1% of GDP. Southern Europe, 11.5% of GDP. Latin America, 5.4% of GDP. The developed Asia, 10.4% of GDP. And lastly, the rest of the world, 5.6% of GDP. This showcases how it can be improved and how AI is the future. And this is how AI can be used in businesses. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to gain more insights on these topics of AI. Thank you.